Hi, today we're going to be talking about this charm live stream kit from ICOUTURE girl. This is a 10.5 or 9 centimeter ring light. You can say 10 too, but it's probably more like 9 centimeter ring light. There's 12 LED lights in the ring light within there. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be previewing this and also unboxing it and assembling it. So I'm still going to be giving you some perspective on, my opinion about this item and also pricing on this. So before I get started, if you can hit the like button on the bottom right corner, the red button, that'd be awesome. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. If you like this video and I've added some value, please hit the like button and feel free to leave comments. I always love to hear on your comments from what you guys think, and then also like to respond to them. So let's get started. So there's the front of it. Once again, there's the Charm Live Stream Kit from ICOUTURE Girl. This is the front of it, and then this is the back of it. So let's unbox it. All right. I use a X-Acto knife, much easier. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we can open it now. Let's see what's in there. Okay. So there's what you get right here once you open the box. Now, some information about this. There's 12 LED lights on the 9 centimeter ring light. There's also a phone stand with a flexible arm. It does allow 360-degree rotation, and it has a gooseneck design and secure table clip. So actually you can clip it onto the table. Very unique, very something different. I've never seen something where you can actually clip it on the table, so this is the first time. So when you take it out, everything's, sealed up. You also have these two items here, these two clips. Now, one thing I noticed that is missing is the instruction booklet on this. So you'll see the instruction booklet. So I'm going to go ahead and try to assemble it. So the only thing that you need to assemble is just flexing and putting on your phone. It pretty much comes assembled already like this. Now it is a USB for power. And basically what these things, clips are, is for a critter design. So you can clip these onto the circle ring light. This thing right here, on top, right here. And then what you'll get is, you're gonna get a critter design. Okay, so let's take the plastics out. Alright. I'm just going to leave this plastic on the light side on. But I took it off on the side where you have the phone holder stand and the phone holder. So let's put the iPhone in there. So once again, this is a sliding holder. You slide your iPhone in there. And your iPhone's in there. And then what you would do is you want to actually clip it onto a table. And I do have a table here. So let me go ahead and clip it. my table is actually kind of not flat on the bottom, so let me remove my drawer. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right there. So it's clipped right now. Okay, so this side you have your phone, so you can do your recording, and then you have your ring light right here. So for trying to keep the ring light within the picture frame, I'm just gonna do like this. I'm gonna curve it down. As you can see, I'm curving it down. And I'm gonna plug the power in. So this is the power cord. Let me just unrelease the power thread. So once again, these are USB again, so you need to plug it either into your computer or you can plug into a wall that has a USB. And then you have a remote control. And basically your remote control is red for power on and off, minus and plus is for the brightness, the 10 level brightness, and in between the two wavy lines button is your mode. There's 3 modes basically. So let's plug it in for power. All right. So I still have my iPhone here, okay? It's hanging down here, but I just want you guys to take a look at the light. So I'm gonna bring this closer. There goes the light. Hit the power on. You'll see that the blue's on. Hit the power. The light's on. This is how many modes there are. Should be 3. 1, 2, 3. So once again, white, cool, and warm for the 3 mode. And then let's see the brightness levels. Let's see if we're on there, how many brightness levels there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 brightness levels. Let's increase it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 brightness levels, 3 modes. Basically what you're getting, it clips to the table. Once again, when you turn this off, don't just pull the USB. Make sure you turn off using the on-off switch, turn it off, and then, remove it or do things with it. So there you go. So once again, it's adjustable grip and secure grip for the phone holders. 360 degrees flex gooseneck, so you can actually, like this phone holder stand or piece right here, you can, or this piece right here, you can actually twist it and stuff. So it becomes like a gooseneck. If, that's basically what it means. Easy to install, like you said, installation is just putting the phone in there. And then clipping it onto a table. Inline controller, you saw the controller that I had, is very simple. And then USB connection for power, that's the main thing. You just gotta have either a computer that has power in there, so you can plug it in, or just a wall jack that has a USB port. And then once again, there's these critter, let me just put that in there so you guys can take a look. So that's the critter design. So I'm gonna just flip this over like this. Boom. There we go. Okay. So let's put the critter designs in there. There we go. There's your critter designs right there. Let me know what you think. Pretty cute. So what does this retail for? Basically, this item, probably get it for $12 or $13 at your retail big box store, discount stores. You get it like at a regular store. Now, the discount store example would be like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Ross, Home Goods maybe. Now, if you go to a regular store like Target or even like some of the regular light shops, probably run you about $18 price wise. So about 18, 17, maybe 16. But that's pretty much regarding the pricing. Now, would I buy this item? I would actually, because it's the first item that I've seen where you actually clip it to the table. So for this item right here that I have, I might just keep it. just to use it. It's very unique, you know. I've never seen something where you actually clip it to the table. I've seen stuff where it's always came with tripods. And you can review some of my old videos too. A lot of the items that I have that I previewed, they all come with tripod. So this item, I would probably keep it. I think it's a great price for the price that I'm paying for it. Overall, I would give it from a 1 to 3. I would probably give it a 2 or 2.5. 3 is the highest. So that's what I would give. It's a great starter item. I can see that you can clip it anywhere you like. I wish that the light ring light was bigger, not just 9 cm or 10 cm, but a little bit bigger. But I think it's a great product. It's a very unique product. I would keep it. I think it's a great starter. You can use it for cosmetics. You can use it for vlogging, videos, or even taking selfies. So you can do a lot of stuff with it, a lot of basic stuff. You can also go to Starbucks and just snap it and clip it on the Starbucks table as you go to a coffee shop or a Pete's. So a lot of great things. Even for airplane rides, if you're traveling, this will be a great item too. So that's my take on it. Let me know what you think. If you have this product, what's durability? How long does it last? Leave me some comments if I added value with this video for you. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build on my subscriber base, trying to make more videos. I always upload new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I think I may even be doing it more frequent, maybe in a few months. So please, I appreciate it. Thank you.